The alarm from 2620 is active. Today we will see how to use buffered streams. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like my videos, like, comment and share. So buffered streams are very important in making your IO programs or codes efficient. When you use directly the file readers, file writers, your program will call the handling of the operating system to fetch the data. When you use buffered streams, your program can look for the data in the memory by itself, and it makes it efficient. So to use buffered streams in both byte streams and character streams, it's possible. Let's see how to use a character stream buffer reader. What we do is, when you construct the file reader, you wrap it in a buffered reader. So what we can do is we will modify this one as buffered reader, and this as, so we import the library, and then we will wrap them with, so you wrap them with a buffered reader, and the other code is similar with the other stream, so you can execute and get similar results. Okay, so that's how you use buffered readers. Thank you for your time.